Do you want to learn how to scrape leads from Google Maps? In this video, I'll show you how to install and use Map Scraper, a powerful tool that can help you extract business contact information from Google Maps. Map Scraper is easy to use and can be used to extract a wide range of information, including business name, address, phone number, website, email, and reviews. So whether you're a business owner, a marketer, or just someone who's looking for new leads, this video is for you. Watch on to learn how to use Map Scraper and start scraping leads from Google Maps today. Step 1. Go to Map Scraper website. Step 2. Install the tool. Once you're on the website, you'll see a button that says Add to Edge. Click on this button to install the tool. You can install Map Scraper in either Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. If you're using Google Chrome, click on the Add in Chrome button, but I'm going to install it in Edge because it's easier. Step 3. Log in with your Google account. Once the tool is installed, you'll need to log in with your Google account. Step 5. Start scraping. Once you're logged in, you can start scraping data from Google Maps. To do this, click on the Open Google Maps button. Now I want to scrape leads from Google Maps. I want to scrape SEO agencies in New York. I'll write that in the search bar and click the Start Scraping button. If you want to scrape emails, click the Scrape Google Maps with Email button. Keep in mind that it will take a little bit of time to scrape all emails. If you click the Scrape Without Email button, it will scrape faster, but it will not collect emails for you. It is very important that you do not close the page or minimize the browser window while scraping is in progress. Doing so will cancel the scraping process, and you will lose all of the data that has been scraped so far. Just wait until the scraping is finished, and then you can close the page or minimize the browser window. After you have finished scraping, please download your data as an Excel file or any other type of file. If you do not do this, you will lose your data and will have to start scraping all over again next time. I will show you another example. I want to scrape SEO agencies in London. I will make sure to upload all of the data I scraped in the video description. I will share 2 more examples with you. I will try to scrape travel agencies in Dubai, and I will try to scrape all hotels in North Jeddah City. That's all for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.